Welcome to our YouTube channel, Thai Crafts and Home Decor. In today's video, we are going to tackle a fun and practical project, a stylish wooden storage cabinet. Whether you need extra storage in your living room, bedroom, or even your office, this cabinet is a perfect solution, so let's get started. Before we dive into the construction process, let's go over the materials and tools you will need for this project. Here's a quick rundown. 3 by 4-inch plywood sheets, wood glue, screws, wood stain and varnish, sandpaper, measuring tape, saw, drill clumps, paint brushes, safety goggles. Make sure you have everything ready before we begin. First of all, the main thing is planning and measuring. To ensure a precise build, it's important to plan and measure your wooden storage cabinet carefully. Determine the dimensions that fit your needs, taking into account the space available. Sketch out a design or use pre-made plans as a reference. Measure and mark the dimensions on the plywood sheets and make sure to leave allowances for any joinery or overhang. Wooden storage cabinets hold great importance in both residential and commercial settings. Here are some key reasons why they are valuable. Organization and storage. Wooden storage cabinets provide an effective solution for organizing and storing various items. Whether it's books, documents, clothing, kitchenware, or office supplies, these cabinets offer dedicated spaces to keep things neat, tidy, and easily accessible. By reducing clutter and promoting organization, they help create a clean and functional environment. Number two is durability and longevity. Wood is a robust and durable material, making wooden storage cabinets a long lasting investment. High quality cabinets constructed from solid wood or sturdy plywood are built to withstand regular use and can withstand the test of time. With proper care, they can retain their structural integrity and aesthetics for years, making them a reliable storage solution. Number three is aesthetics and style. Wooden storage cabinets add a touch of elegance and natural beauty to any space. The warm tones and unique grain patterns of wood create a visually appealing element, enhancing the overall aesthetics of the room. Wooden cabinets come in a variety of styles from traditional to contemporary, allowing you to choose one that complements your interior decor and personal taste. Number four is versatility. Wooden storage cabinets offer versatility in terms of design and functionality. They can be customized to fit specific dimensions and requirements, allowing you to maximize storage space in any room. Additionally, they can feature various configurations such as shelves, dryers, compartments, and adjustable parts, enabling you to adopt the cabinet's interior layout to accommodate different items. Number 5 is eco-friendliness. Wood is a renewable resource, making wooden storage cabinets an environmentally friendly choice. Sustainably sourced wood and responsible manufacturing practices ensure that these cabinets have a minimal impact on the environment. By opting for wooden storage cabinets, you contribute to the conservation of natural resources and promote sustainability. Number 6 is timeless appeal. Wooden furniture has a timeless appeal that transcends trends and fads. Unlike some other materials that may go out of style, wooden storage cabinets have a classic and enduring charm that can seamlessly blend with various interior design themes. They can easily adapt to changing decor preferences, making them a versatile choice for long term use. And with the cabinet structure complete, it's time when you try to make this at home. So it's time to add the finishes touches. Install the cabinet doors using hinges or any other hardware of your choice. You can also add decorative handles or knobs to enhance the overall aesthetics. Consider adding adjustable shelves inside the cabinet to maximize storage space. Measure and cut the shelves to fit. And use shelf brackets or supports to hold them in place securely. Now that your wooden storage cabinet is fully built, it's time to find the perfect spot for it in your home. Consider the functionality and aesthetics of different rooms and place it accordingly. Whether it's showcasing your favorite books, organizing office supplies, or storing household items, this cabinet will be a practical addition to any space. Remember, feel free to customize the design, size, and finishes to match your personal style and existing decor. We hope you enjoyed this type project tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas, and share your own cabinet building experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Because building a wooden storage cabinet is a rewarding project that combines functionality and aesthetics. With a little bit of planning, measuring, cutting, and finishing, you can create a stylish storage solution for your home decoration. Thank you.